Hey guys, welcome to the channel. You all know what time is it. It's hair tutorial o'clock. Like in this particular video, you'll be seeing so many and different hairstyle tutorial. Before I forget, you're welcome to Forever Beauty channel, where I make videos about hairstyle, fashion, beauty, nails transformation, and so many of them. Please bring your popcorn, take a seat, hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family because you will love it here. It is all fun and beauty transformation videos here. So this particular one is actually knotless barrel hairstyle. Like it's just knotless braid, but I think the barrel part of it is for the fact that they twisted the mouth, and it also has curls. Like they have so many hairstyles that you can do with curls these days. I don't know if you're the type that doesn't like curls. I don't know the type of hairstyles that you'll be doing. Okay, this particular one is butterfly locks tutorial. What you just need to do is section your hair. That is your natural hair, braid it. What they actually add on the tip is kinky hair extension, and you just use any of the hair extension that you want to use and do the final look and do it. And again, you just end the mouth, that is close the mouth with any gum or bonding hair extension. That is the bond they use to bond hair. So guys, this is actually a beautiful hairstyle. And again, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the support, love, and everything. May God continue to bless you guys for me. Please do well to check out other of our videos in this channel because I have so many interesting videos. I always say this in any of my video. I have so many interesting videos. This particular one is a detail tutorial of, should I say this is soft lock, or should I call this as Sasha lock hairstyle? I don't know, but please, if you actually know the name of this particular one, let us know that on the comment section, because I know this is not the same butterfly looks that we just finished watching the tutorial. This particular one is different for the fact that it doesn't have that fluffy stuffs that they bring out, and this one have enough curls. That is actually what makes it to be different. And the way the hairstylist was able to like bring out so many hairstyles, or the way they were able to be creative, is something else. This particular lady here is making her hair by herself, and I give her flowers because she actually did good. For the fact that you have locks right now does not mean you cannot achieve any particular hairstyle you want, because you see this hair that they are making right now, it is actually being done on top of a natural locks. And again, the color combination is so fluffy. The hairstylist made sure she found exactly the hair color of this particular lady you're seeing here. Look at how beautiful it is looking. I love it. And again, it is so beautiful. Like she did a perfect job for this particular hairstyle. So guys, there are so many hairstyles in this video, the tutorials and everything. If you're a hairstylist, tell me if you learn any of them, or if you're just a beautiful lady or a beautiful woman watching my video. Tell me, will you be trying out any of this hairstyle in the comment section, or have you tried out any of them? Let us know that on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.